Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive dashboards or boards in monday.com. And of course, as well, if you want to find what those archives, I'm going to show you how you can find them back as well. So once you're inside monday.com, you want to find the dashboard which you want to archive. So for example, on this left hand side, I have my boards here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here, for example, and here you'll find archive. I click on archive and it's going to archive that board. Now to find those archive, it is super easy. You want to go ahead and click your account on the right hand side and the upper right hand side, and here you'll find archive. You can click on that and here you'll find your archives, right? So this archive is also under the trash section. So for example, if you click your account on the upper right again and go to, for example, trash, you will see that it next to trash. So on the trash or right beside that, it's archive, right? So anything that is missing, is either it's going to be in the trash or it's going to be in your archive. So just keep that in mind. So go to archive section and you'll find it and you can click on it, the three dots on the action here, and you will see that you can restore it. Click on restore and it's going to unarchive that for you. And as you can see, it is back on my home dashboard here. And that's pretty much it, guys.